Welcome everyone to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to disable direct message on Discord. So for that, open the Discord application and then get logged in. Once you are at the home page, tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left and there you tap on the profile icon on the bottom. Tap that. From here, you need to tap on the privacy and safety. Here on this page, you need to scroll down and look for server privacy default, and inside that you will have the option of allow direct messages from server members. You need to tap that toggle. Do you want also apply this change to all your existing server? If you want to apply it, you tap on yes. So basically with this you will be disabling direct messages on Discord. This setting is applied when you join a new server. It does not apply retroactively to your existing server. Once you flip the toggle for allow direct messages from server member, this way no one will be able to send a direct message to you anymore. So this is how you can disable direct message on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.